That sure didn't work.
Alf, I am sorry that you're going through this, but I do hope that your hiccups will be gone before the wedding tomorrow.
Alf, why don't you try holding your breath again? That should work.
Okay.